Hi guys, welcome to a new video. So we have two new words today, the first being abjure and the second being prevaricate. So the first word abjure means to renounce a belief or a claim or to no longer agree with a belief. An example could be the principal abjured the student's claims. The second word of the day is prevaricate. So prevaricate means a situation where you avoid telling the truth by not directly answering the question. For example, you could tell someone, tell us exactly what happened and don't prevaricate. When you prevaricate, you only make the situation more complicated than it already is. So make sure you like our video, subscribe to our channel, come back for new words. Bye guys.